In the bigger way of looking at it, there's no such thing. Everything has its own place, serving its own purpose in its own context. And all different things coming together, serving the big picture, bigger purpose, life. If you look at the forest, compare all these different trees, different plants. One is more beautiful than others. One live longer than others. One is smaller, another is bigger. All different colors, different shape. We have all different preference. But for the whole forest, there's no such comparison. The whole existence of every plant, every tree, every, part of the ecosystem completing this whole forest. So when you look far from a distance, look at the mountain, the forest.